happened to you? Your alarm clock fails to go off, and you're hours late for work. Why does this happen? It's because we Americans love to press our snooze buttons and go back to sleep. 70% of Americans are oversleep every day. 90% of Americans are late for work, and 100% of Americans die in their lifetime. Are you sick of this? Are you fed up? Then you need the shot clock. If screaming isn't your style, Shot Clock comes in several alarming varieties. Wake up with a bang.
It's literally alarming!
Hard sleeper? Violence might be the answer.
It's literally alarming! It's literally alarming!
Do you miss your mom waking you up in the morning? Well, we have the perfect solution for you.
It's literally alarming!
No wake up quite compares to that of beautiful music.
It's literally alarming!
Everybody loves breakfast in bed.
It's literally alarming!
Order your shot clock in many different languages. Hola, señor.
It's literally alarming!
Normally, this amazing product would be valued at $50, $100, even $150 in stores. But we'll give it to you right now for the low price of 3 easy payments of $49.99. That's an amazing deal! Call now and we'll give you the special limited edition Michael Jackson edition for free!
Billie Jean is not my lover.
Before Shot Clock, I was never able to wake up. But now, I have no problem getting to class on time. It's absolutely incredible. Thank you, Shot Clock.
Shot Clock is one of the best investments I've ever made.
Before Shot Clock, I weighed 300 pounds. Thanks, Shot Clock.
Me gusta comer galletas, pero ahora no sé. Creo que con este producto sí que va a ser bueno. Gracias, Shot Clock.
So don't delay! Call now and buy your shot clock today!
Shot Clock is not responsible for any injuries incurred in use of the product. Side effects of Shot Clock may include, but are not limited to, cuts, bruises, broken bones, tinnitus, dizziness, deafness, depression, anxiety, nausea, loss of self-confidence, death, Ebola, amnesia, influenza, tiredness, schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease, loss of sleep, thoughts of suicide, and autoimmune deficiency syndrome. No refunds.
أنا عندي 100,000 حجرين في الحمام وعندي كلبين وبسة وسنافر. شوت كلوك يكسرني ويدمر حياتي.
You got scared.